Unlock the full potential of your Wolt delivery hustle with this essential guide to mastering the Wolt Partner App. First, let's get you logged in. Open the Wolt Partner App and enter your registered email address and password if you're a new partner. You'll typically sign up through the Wolt website first. Once logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is your command center. You'll see key sections like orders, where all your incoming delivery requests will appear, and earnings, to track your performance. When a new order comes in, you'll receive a clear notification. Tap on it to see essential details: the restaurant name, estimated pickup time, and the customer's delivery address. You'll also see the estimated earnings for that specific delivery. Review the order details quickly, and if it suits you, tap accept. If you can't take the order, simply tap reject. It's that straightforward. After accepting, the app seamlessly integrates with your preferred navigation app. It will guide you directly to the restaurant for pickup. Look for the navigation icon and tap it to start your route. Once you've picked up the order, remember to update the status in the app. Tap picked up to let the customer and restaurant know you're on your way. This helps manage expectations and improves the overall experience. Need to communicate with the customer or restaurant? The app has a built-in chat feature. You can use this for any necessary clarifications, like a specific delivery instruction or if you're running a few minutes late. Upon arriving at the customer's location, confirm the delivery by tapping the delivered button. This not only completes the order in the system, but also triggers your payment process. Now, let's talk about maximizing your earnings. Regularly check the earnings section to analyze your performance. Look for peak hours and busy zones highlighted by Wolt, and try to position yourself strategically during those times. Keep an eye out for any promotions or bonus opportunities advertised within the app. These can significantly boost your income. Make sure your notification settings are on to not miss out on these special offers. Finally, explore the account section to manage your profile, view your work history, and access support resources. Staying organized and informed is key to a successful delivery career with Wolt.